Hi, my name is Grace Blunt, and today I'm going to be talking about cap and banner clouds. So basically, starting with the cap cloud, so it's formed, one of the ways it's formed is orographically. So basically, air will encounter, or wind will encounter, an elevated terrain, possibly a mountain, be pushed up and cooled adiabatically, and then once it reaches its dew point, it will form a cloud. And it's also formed, the cap cloud, by stationary, it's stationary and it's shaped by upper atmospheric winds. So as you can see here, the winds blowing over it kind of create a flat top on the cap cloud. So here's an example. This is Mount Rainier, and as you can see on the top of the mountain, there is a cap cloud. Also, cap clouds form on top of like cumulus clouds. They're also called pileus clouds, and the cloud convection causes like a lot of updraft, which can create much like wispier but flat-topped cloud that's separate from the cumulus cloud. And it's also called the humid layer. So as you can see in this diagram, you can see the updraft and then the cloud forming above it. So a good slogan for cap clouds is, when a cap cloud is in the air, don't run, just be aware. So it can possibly cause thunderstorms, but under most circumstances it doesn't, because it just stays on top. But if it combines with the cumulus cloud, it can very likely become a cumulonimbus cloud, which we all know causes thunderstorms. And so banner clouds, so they are formed orographically always. So they occur on the leeward side of the mountain. So here's the wind, and then the wind stops on the leeward side of the mountain because there's a bit of an air vacuum, because the mountain is obviously in the way. And it's also confused a lot of times with snow, like leaving the mountain. So let's say you're in a cold area and there's been a lot of snow and there's a lot of wind, it can be confused as snow, but the banner cloud is definitely a cloud. And so in this diagram right here, you can see that the high pressure is located on the windward side of the mountain, and then the low pressure is located on the leeward side of the mountain. And in there's like some kind of air vacuum where there's not a lot of structure to how the air is moving, and so therefore it creates some kind of updraft that's rising above and condensing orographically to form a cloud that's on the leeward side of the cloud, as you can see in the low pressure area right there. And so this is senior superlative for the banner cloud is most luscious locks, best hair, because it kind of looks like, I don't know, a person that has their hair blowing out behind them, but it's a mountain and a cloud. So yes, my name is Grace Blunt. Thank you for watching.